Hello everyone, today we're learning how to use Magic Animate on Canva. This feature can help you bring your designs to life with motion. It will automatically apply the perfect animations and transitions to your entire design. So let's say, for example, you have the static story image and you want to make it into a video with more dynamic movements, maybe to use it as a story that is a video, or maybe use it as reels, something like that. So what we can do is we need to select all the elements that we want to get animated and click on Animate. Then we're going to head over to Page Animations and click on Magic Animate. So this will instantly apply perfectly suited animations and transitions. Wait for the AI to work its magic. And we'll get a recommended style from the AI for what works best for our design. So here we have the style grunge. That one's pretty good for a collage style like this. There's also different alternative styles that you can use. If, for example, you're going for a more bolder vibe, you can click on this one. Or you want something more elegant, you can mouse over the different styles so you could have a preview of what they would look like. There's also handmade, so this one looks more like a scrapbook. Playful, professional, digital, and minimal, which goes for like very minimal movements. So as you've seen, in just one click we were able to add animation to all of the elements in our design. But another thing that you could do is, if you prefer to tweak the animation per element, you could always click on it and click on Animate, and there are different types of animation that you could do. There are different presets over here that you could choose from. There's even different motion effects. Or you could just remove the animation if you prefer it to be static while the other elements are moving. If you didn't like the animation that you got, you can always click on Remove Magic Animation. Now, another thing that you can also do is you can click this little button over here that says Show Pages. And this way you get more of a timeline view for the video. You can even increase the duration of the video, 8 seconds long. And there you have it. That is the Magic Animate feature for Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, show us some love so it reaches more people. You can also subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this one. Thank you!